Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be using one of these medium-sized hurricanes from Dollar Tree in a SUNDAE glass that I picked up at Goodwill. We're going to put these two pieces together and make a beautiful glam and blingy vase or candle holder. Okay, so let's put this aside. I'm going to start decorating my hurricane. First thing I'm going to use is some mirror towel. And I'm going to cut 10 rows. This is going to be quick and easy, and the results are going to be beautiful. So now I just remove the back cover on the mirror towel because it does have adhesive on it. I'm going to carefully line this up with the very top of my glass. Okay, you want to do that all the way around. Take your time. Okay, just like this. Normally I'll put trim above my mirror towel, but this time I want to have a little bit of a lip. So I'm going to use some of this bling, but I'm only going to use one row. And I'm going to put it right over the top. So let me measure and cut. And then right down the center. And this is a little bit uneven, so I want this to be the back. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. I'm going to use some of the hot glue and put it right on the rectangle. Okay, so now we have this. And as you can see, again, we have a little bit of a lip now. For the next section, I'll be using some of this bling. And it has adhesive on the back as well. And I'm going to take about 20 rows and just cut it. Start at the back of your vase again and take your time. If you have to lay it down like this, then do that. Okay, so next I want to add 2 rows of mirror towel here. But yeah, let me go ahead and cut 2 rows. So again, remove the back and take your time. So we have a mirror towel, the bling here, then more mirror towel. Now I want to add 2 rows of this bling, and I already have it cut. Again, same thing, just lay it down. Okay, now I'm going in with 6 rows of mirror towel. Then finally I'll come in with 2 rows of this bling at the bottom. Again, I put some glue on the rectangles and start out that way. Absolutely gorgeous. So now I want to take 6 rows of this little piece of bling. And I'm going to wrap some right around the neck. Alright, so now we have this. Okay, one other thing I want to do to the base is put 3 rows of this trim around the base. And I'm going to follow the curves with the trim. But I'm going to hold it upside down, it'll be easier. Okay, so I'm just going to follow the curves. And this is what you'll have. The back. Flip this over. And flip this over. and then glue this on. And I'll be using some of my Gorilla Glue. Now turn it around to make sure everything's even. I can use a little bit more hot glue here. Now to flip this back over. And of course I made a set of 2 in order to use them as a set of candle holders. So I'm going to let this one completely dry and then light them both up as candle holders. And then I'll put flowers in one to show you what it looks like as a vase.